How to check your Instagram password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to check your Instagram password. In order to check your Instagram password, first thing first, open up or log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to take you to the home page. So while you're on this page, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side and then tap the tab bar icon. As soon as you tap the tab bar icon, a pop-up menu appears from the list. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. So after you tap on settings and privacy, here go to account center. After you tap the account center button on this page, go to password in security. Over here you'll need to go ahead and tap on save login. So from here you need to select the account for which you want to see a save login info. So go ahead and select for that, and after that make sure to toggle save login. And you can also, if you want you can also save your mobile number at the same time. After you've saved the login information, it's going to be saved into your password manager. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up your Google account. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up your settings from your select account. After that, select the particular Gmail account where the actual password might have saved. So in my case, the password might be saved here. So go to Google account once again. After that, scroll down a bit, swipe towards your left hand side and tap on security. On security page, here scroll down right to the bottom and you can see your saved password. So go ahead and tap on save password. Over here you'll be able to find your Instagram password. And once you've done that, just enter in the credential and you'll be able to see your Instagram password. So in this way you can see your Instagram password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.